Welcome to my new video, guys. Today we're gonna look into the Snapdragon 820 and see how it handles throttling and performance over a longer period of time. We're gonna also see if Qualcomm have made any improvements compared to last year's Snapdragon 810, which had some issues when it came to sustaining a good level of performance over a longer period of time. To do so, we're gonna test two different benchmarks. The first one is Geekbench and the second one is Antutu. As you can see on the red graph, the multi-core performance is quite good. We see a difference between 5 to 8% between the best case and the worst case scenario. The single core performance is even more impressive. As you can see, there is no throttling happening here at all, and there is often nearly 40 times of Geekbench 3 runs. So yeah, that is quite impressive result. As we move on to the Antutu benchmark to test the GPU, the CPU and RAM together, we could see the same result happening here. So there is basically no throttling here at all. Now you may ask, well, that these were just some random benchmarks. What about the daily usage? Well, as I said, I've used this phone for nearly 6 weeks and I've never run into any special warm-ups or hiccups. So I could definitely say that the Snapdragon 820 handles performance over a longer period of time much better than last year's Snapdragon 810. Well, basically every single GPU, CPU, every chip, every silicon based chip is gonna run into throttling at some point. But the real issue is it after 1 minute of light web surfing, or is it after maybe 10-15 minutes of hardcore gaming? And I feel safe to say that the Snapdragon 820 falls into the latter part, while the Snapdragon 810 had big issues just with some normal usage on web browser. So to the big question, should you feel safe to buy a Snapdragon 820 based handset? I would definitely say so, and especially the OnePlus 3, because combined with the full HD panel instead of quad HD panels like the newer phones, this phone should be really future proof. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next.